going all over the province today. I was actually going to go to that place as well to check out the controller, just to see what the issue is and all that, and if you have to repair it, how much it would be. Why are there so many tents on the side there? Just had some extra time before the next place I had to go to, so I thought I'd just walk around. I have no idea where I'm going. What the heck, there's a drone shop around here. It's like also industrial, gas and stuff like that. Sounds like it's it. I just never seen that. You have a flash one.
This one's almost out of battery.
Is it? Okay. $12,000. Wow,
Somebody just bought Ronin 2.
Okay.
If I could get you to add your email, your first name, your last name, and your phone number. It doesn't look like any of the wires are ripped, so I should just be able to solder it right back onto the board if I can get this open.
Yeah, it actually works. I just, like I said, I don't even know how that thing came out. Is there a replacement part for that little circle in the other one?
I don't think so.
Because that's how it came out the first time. For some reason, this little thing there, it came off just like the other side right now. So I don't know how else to plug that in like that. Again.
Yeah, I should be able to find something.
Okay.
Got a spare top shell in the back here. I'm going to grab one of the antennas off and see if I can rip this thing apart. Because this doesn't look like it's meant to come apart, so I don't want to break yours. So I'll try it on one of the junk ones I have in the back first. If I can get it, pop it open, or if I can get it, pop yours open. Solder the antenna back on, close it up, pin it back in.
Cool.
So, with a bit of luck, we'll be able to get this, but we'll find out shortly.
Cool. Awesome.
You'll know within a day at any rate.
Yeah.
And you have no serial number back here.
Really?
You've worn it off.
Holy smart.
Yeah,
I did not notice that.
Okay, fine.
This is a first generation one, literally the very first almost.
Okay, so you should be good to go.
Okay, they said one day. Let's see how that goes. Kind of funny how they said they've never seen anything like that before too. That was kind of funny. I wore out the serial number. That's a first. Jeez, what's in that truck? Liquid nitrogen or something? Alright, see you guys later.